This video microtopic features a method for sizing up a ring made in a prominent manufacturing company's proprietary platinum alloy using sizing stock and a torch. The ring also has diamonds set in the shank. Check the alloy using a magnet. Its lack of magnetism reveals that it was not made using platinum cobalt. A call to the producer reveals that it was made from a 950 platinum, ruthenium, and palladium alloy. The ring is a size 6.5 and needs to be sized up to a 7. Thoroughly clean and inspect the ring. Cut the ring at the 6 o'clock location. Carefully slide the ring up the mandrel to size 7 and determine the dimension of the sizing stock needed to fit in the opening. The ring manufacturer sells sizing stock in their alloy formula. Cut the sizing stock and insert it into the opening. The piece must be larger in all dimensions, so when you blend the joint after sizing, you won't reduce the ring's original dimensions. Fire coat the ring to protect the diamonds. Then remove the fire coat from the joint area. To further protect the diamonds, wrap them in wet tissue and hold the ring with tungsten carbide-tipped tweezers. Using a direct solder method and an oxidizing flame, solder the joint using hard platinum plum solder. Carefully inspect the joint for complete solder flow. File the inside of the shank. Round the ring and confirm that it's a size 7. File and use microfinishing film to finish blending the joint. Check for loose diamonds and tighten them if necessary. Then polish and finish the ring.